Oh, hey. Is this a bus stop?
It is. Yeah, you here? Because you're not supposed to film here on ground, sir.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, well, it just depends on who you are and what you're doing.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm not doing anything wrong, anything bad, for no weird reasons. I just, I like government facilities, especially I've never seen this one, so.
Can I just see your ID real quick?
No, sorry.
Hello YouTube. In today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a video from the YouTube channel SLO County Observer. Please take a moment and head over to their YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. Today's video took place on August 26, 2019 in Atascadero, California. SLO County Observer was trying to do a First Amendment audit of the Atascadero State Hospital when he was stopped in a public parking lot by a facility officer. The officer informs the auditor that he is not allowed to film on facility property and then proceeds to ask for the auditor's ID multiple times. The auditor actually backs up to a public bus stop and then is surrounded by facility officers and is continued hounded for his ID, even though he has not broken any law. Now, let's dive right into today's video and break down this footage.
You can't just walk on the ground, sir.
It said that this is a pedestrian walkway.
Yeah, but I mean, you really have to have a purpose to be here.
I do. I just wanted to get some shots of the facility, and that's all. And I wasn't going to go inside or anything. I know I'm not allowed to go inside, so.
Yeah. Well, I don't really want you filming me.
I understand. I'm not trying to
Adam?
cause any problems.
Let's let me see your ID.
Why?
That's one thing you can't deny when asking you for ID.
Oh, is that true?
Let me see your ID.
I'm not going to give you my ID.
Adam, 22, I'm out with one subject. He's failing to give me his ID in front of the bus stop. One male adult.
This isn't a public bus stop? Is this a public bus stop? Okay, cool. Well, I'll just wait at the public bus stop. When does the public bus come? I record and document all police encounters that I come across.
I think that's great. No,
interactions, you know?
I think that's great.
Okay.
That's fine.
So your best option is just to be polite, courteous, and you have been, except for asking for my ID. I haven't committed any crimes.
Listen, when you were on our property, I don't know if you read that sign.
I did.
I asked you for ID. I want to know who you are.
For sure. I understand why you would want to do that.
That's all. I mean,
let me assure you, I'm not a felon.
Okay, that's reasonable.
Okay. I don't have any weapons, so.
But yeah, when an officer asks you for ID, I'd like to have.
Well, this is not a stop and ID state. California is not a stop and ID state. Well, this is a public bus stop.
Yeah, but
I'm not trying to cause problems.
Okay, then why won't you give me your ID?
Because I don't need to.
Request.
How you doing, sir? What's going on? Oh, not much. I just wanted to see your facility. I've never been here, and I'm interested in public facility, government facilities like this. So she told me that I'm not allowed to be here, or is that?
Well, I want to see your ID to see who you are.
Okay.
And we'll go to the next step.
It's not that you're not allowed to be here. We just need to verify that since you're on grounds, that you're okay to be on grounds, that you're not an ex-patient.
Not an ex-patient, not a felon, never been in jail.
We need to clarify that.
Okay. So if a person is waiting for the bus, do they always get like kind of hassled, or is that?
No, we're not hassling you at all.
Okay.
So we just wanted to verify and make sure that it's all, code for you to be here.
I don't know about you, YouTube, but I think 4 officers surrounding a man at a public bus stop on public property asking for him to identify, all because he is filming in public, is the perfect definition of hassled. Do officers not listen to what is coming out of their mouths? I guess they are so used to people not fully understanding and grasping their constitutional rights. so they get annoyed when someone actually stands up and exercises their rights.
For sure.
I don't mind that you videotape and stuff. We
Okay.
just need to make sure that you're not, since you're not an employee,
Uh-huh.
that you're not an ex-patient. They do come on grounds a lot.
Definitely not an ex-patient.
Well,
This is my first time being here.
This is the only way we'll be able to verify that is if we check your ID.
Okay, I'm not gonna provide my ID. I'm sorry. So if I don't do that, am I gonna be? I can't wait for the bus. Is that what's going on?
Oh, did the bus drop you off here?
No,
Oh, so you're
I-
really not waiting for the bus.
no. I was waiting for the bus. I saw the pedestrian walkway signs.
Like the city bus?
Yeah.
The city bus doesn't come on grounds.
Oh, okay. What bus comes on grounds?
This is a bus usually that will pick up patients that are getting out or for rideshare purposes.
Oh, gotcha. Okay. Cool. Well, like I said, I'm not trying to cause problems. I just wanted to get some shots of the facility. I guess that's not allowed. I know inside's not allowed. I know that for sure.
Well,
And I'm not, because I read the signs.
right. Well, so what is your main purpose for being here?
Well, I just told you, I'm here to document
Okay.
the facility, because I've never been here, and I'm interested in government facilities like this. I mean,
Well,
look
are there
at,
any questions we can ask for you?
uh,
Video filming?
yeah, I didn't come prepared with that. I just honestly wanted to just get some shots of it. Is there a perimeter that the public is allowed to?
Just through, just like in this area, and then the road, the parking lots are that way,
Okay.
but you can't go through anything.
Where's the point of like that the public cannot pass?
The gates.
The gates.
Yep.
Okay.
This gate, around the facility, there's another gate. There's a bridge trellis. There's some no trespassing signs. over
Gotcha.
there, too, so
Okay.
Under the trellis.
Okay. Cool. And can I get your name?
Sergeant Naranjo.
Sergeant
I had to
Naranjo.
remember. I called the public information officer to ask him to come talk to you.
Okay.
Maybe he can answer any of your questions you have.
Yeah, for sure. Definitely, like I said, everyone, I'm not trying to cause problems here. I have a camera. I like government
Fine. And
facilities.
since you're not going to provide us with your driver's license, we'll probably just make sure we keep an eye on you
Okay.
for however long.
Understandable. That's 100% understandable.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
I-
And just remember next time too, if you come on grounds, it draws attention to you when you wear khaki
oh.
on grounds because that's what the patients wear.
Oh, no way?
Yeah. So it draws attention to you then.
Okay. For sure.
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked this video. And please remember and go over and check out SLO County Observer's YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you have a video you would like me to break down, please submit the video to knowyourrightsnews@gmail.com. The link is in the description below. Until next time, YouTube, you stay safe out there.